So welcome back again, guys. So here is this one info. If you are new to my channel, can you hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell for more future updates like this. Okay. So in my previous video, I promised to show you guys how to or the fastest way to connect to the Telecel Unlimited. One thing that you have to take note is that if your phone is not a 4G recommended phone, okay, or it's not actually a 4G phone, don't worry yourself. Okay. It like you find it difficult in order to connect it. I mean the Telecel Unlimited. If your phone is not a 4G recommended or it's not an actual 4G phone, it will be very difficult for you to connect. Okay, and that's one secret. And also, if your area to the 4G network coverage, if it's not strong or you don't have 4G coverage over there too, forget about it. It won't connect. Even if it will connect corner, it will be breaking, it will be lagging. Okay. So if your phone is a 4G recommended phone or it's a 4G complete phone, okay, that one there, I can assure you that they can easily connect. Okay. And those people who have been teaching or telling people, advising people that they should just change it to late only. The truth about this whole thing is that if you put it on late only, it means that you have restricted all other this network, like all the network. This you change everything to only data zone, like only data mode. It means you won't be able to receive calls. Okay. So me, I don't advise people to go by that idea. Okay. So if your phone is just it's a 4G phone, no need for you to restrict it to only 4G only. Okay. You won't be able to receive calls. Okay. So with the Telecel, we all know say Telecel is not really strong. For the 4G, it's not really strong. Okay. And sometimes even like sometimes when your phone is even a 4G phone like mine, sometimes it has to refresh itself. Sometimes it will be on 4G, then by the time you realize, then it has changed to H plus. That's how the network is. But if you force it, it will be in 4G all right. But sometimes it will be like connected. But later on, you see that it's connected all right, but it's not working. It means that you are forcing it. That's not it has been processed. You have to let the network refresh itself because the Telecel Unlimited, the Telecel SIM, the Telecel network, their 4G is not strong. It's not strong. Unlike the MTN that you can put it on 4G and it will be on 4G 247. You understand? But with the Telecel Unlimited, it has to refresh itself. So when you put it on 4G, sometimes it will refresh itself, then it will change to H plus. Then H plus, by the time we realize within some few seconds or minutes, then you change to 4G. That's how it works. When it changes to H plus, although the network will slow down, but it will still be working. So it will change itself to the 4G, then it will start boosting. The network will start boosting, it will start increasing its speed. That's how it is. Okay. So in order for you to connect it, connect like the fastest way to connect it. So first have to connect it with your MTN, like how we used to do. Okay. So my MTN is on. So just make sure say your MTN you have a little amount of data on it, like maybe let's say 5 megabyte or 10 megabyte. Okay. And then with the Telecel too, you are done with all the processes. You've already created the UDP account, with the protocol account, and you've pasted everything, the app, everything is set. You've done the pay as you go, everything. Okay. So we connect to the MTN first. So let's connect to the MTN. You see, for the MTN, if you have data, it will easily connect. So after connecting to the MTN, then you quickly come and switch it to what? To the Telecel Unlimited. So you just click to change it. You see, you switch it to the Telecel. You switch it to the Telecel. But most of it, when you switch it, don't be any kind of notification down here at the log area. You won't see any notification. Okay, you won't see any notification, but it is connected. You see, so you let's go to Telegram and see whether it's really working or not. You see, it's updating. It means it is connected, it is working. Okay, so if you don't want to stress yourself by turning on the this in the airplane mode, turning it off, turning it on, and turning it off, just first connect it to the MTN. After connecting it to the MTN, then quickly switch it to the Telecel. Okay, like I said, if your area the Telecel the 4G is not strong, don't worry yourself. and your phone is not 4G recommended, don't worry yourself. Just try to get a phone with 4G 4G recommended. Sorry. Okay. Then everything will be simple for you. Okay. Thank you very much.